Welcome back to the channel and to something a little bit different. This time I have a 2012 BMW 640D M Sport Gran Coupe. This is the 3-litre straight 6 twin turbo diesel producing 313 brake horsepower, and it's coupled with the ZF 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shift. This has only covered 55,607 miles, but is on the insurance register as a Category S structural damage due to the front driver's side. This car also has a high spec with such features as remote keyless entry, electric windows, electric folding mirrors, electric seats and steering column, automatic headlights, automatic wipers, power steering, stop-start system, 2-zone automatic air conditioning with climate control, cruise control, front and rear parking sensors with rear parking camera, and the BMW professional multimedia system with sat-nav, CD, DVD, MP3, Bluetooth and USB connectivity. If you've not done so, now would be a good time to subscribe to the channel. That way you won't miss out on any updates on this car or any new builds coming up. Do hit that thumbs up if you're liking these videos, it does help me out. But for now, let's get this BMW inside, let's strip it down and take a look at this damage together. Okay, so unfortunately, due to quite a bit being a big car, we've not got a lot of space in this one. I couldn't get some time lapse of it being stripped down, but I do want to take you through just what we found and explain some of the things on it. So it is a really nice example, this car, and it has only covered 55,000 miles, so it is nice and clean. But as you've seen from the other pictures, we will be looking for a new bonnet and the new pedestrian protection system. Obviously on the hinges down here, they are not sitting quite straight, so we'll replace the hinges and replace the bonnet. So we'll start with that. We're still looking to find a new wing because obviously the wing is cracked down here. But going on to the damage on the front, it did look quite bad, but when you look, everything seemed to be with the front cross member or the crash bar system. So if we can take a look at this in here, the actual end cap area and chassis legs, there's absolutely no damage in there and they are straight. Looking round to the inner wheel arch in the back here, everything looks as it should. There's no cracking, there's no movement, everything's really good. So looking at both the front caps, again looking down this one, because it did seem to move the whole front over a little bit, but again everything's in line. The good thing is the front of these come as one complete kit, so I have found some on eBay, but looking down here at this part here, so obviously this part of the bar should be coming out this way. The whole mechanism here and this arm, you can see here how it's all twisted and bent over, and this was all twisted and bent over as well. So the good thing is this this part here, crossbars top and bottom, the support bars for the rad at the top, they all come as one, which includes all the surrounds go around here, around the top, the cross supports. These obviously, this one's all broken, which is the support for the headlight, that comes on it as well, because obviously there's just so many bits of plastic just broken everywhere. But what we've got back to, these are all good, there's nothing broken on there. The actual rad aircon, that's all fine. So looking at that's the top part area, this is the bottom area. Again, we've got broken casings, broken this, broken at the bottom here, the ductings are broken, the lower cap is bent. But as I say, this will all come as one complete unit. Some parts at the top are broken. We will be looking for a front bumper. We do have a crack here. Don't know what we're going to do about that, whether it's worth replacing it or whether we can save that one, because the rest of it's really good. Just a couple of grills for the front would sort that out. And yeah, the new headlight, we need a new headlight, and a new front panel to the wheel arch. There's lots of bits just all over the place, but the tires and things like that, these are literally only about 3 months old, so that's great. So as we said, there are a lot of parts to look for. Some of it's already been ordered, but what we'll do, hopefully when this all comes, it's all one complete unit. We'll get back to showing you what we've bought, how we're going to replace it, and if we can get some footage of it going back together, then we'll also do that. But for now, I think we'll leave it there. It is too tight in here with this car. Oh. But as we said, it is a category S, but I couldn't see any structural damage with the chassis. It's all to do with the outlet where the crash bar sits. It's bent at one end, it's bent at the front, it's bent round, so the whole thing, the whole bar is sort of just twisted and moved over that way a little bit. But once we've taken it off, all the tops up here, everything's fine. So I'm going to leave that one there. Sorry it's been a bit squeezed in here for this one, but what we'll do, we'll get these parts ordered, and then as soon as we get some stuff together, we'll come back and show you a bit more on this one. So if you've got any comments, do leave them below, but for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the update video.